Our candle must come down below. Nice. Link isn't underlined. Yeah. I hope these things are working. My camera. Oh shit. Let's make some money. Guys, I'm banned on WhatsApp. Honestly, flip when I look at this. I'm banned on WhatsApp. I don't know what the flip happened. I just checked my WhatsApp, I'm banned. Guys, can you, if anyone is in the AZFX group, please send the link to that group as well, please. I don't know. Guys, anyone is in the AZFX group, please send the link there. Yeah, looks like it. Haters, guys, please send the link to the groups, all the groups, please. AZFX group with Mr. Zulu's group, please send it there. Let me know if it's got sent there. Please, guys. I did promise that I'm gonna send the link there, and now I got banned, so I can't send it to them. Please, guys, send the link to all the groups, please. Whatever groups that you're in, that I'm in, whatever. That I normally send the links to, please send it there. You'll really appreciate it. Salam. Okay, yeah, anyone, I mean, I'm not in AZFX. Okay, yeah, anyone who is in AZFX, please send it there. Sent it now. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Just tell him that Azim's WhatsApp got banned. He's trading live NASDAQ. NASDAQ live. Just tell them so they know. That's crazy, honestly. I just went to sleep for like 10 minutes. And then I woke up now and I checked my WhatsApp spam. Oh yeah, guys, how's it? Okay, so just doing some pre-market analysis quickly. Sessions all marked out there. Okay, perfect. Shukran. Yeah, just okay. So if I'm looking now again, right, we did take out this London low and we end up taking out the high. So we could even take out. I'm expecting bullish momentum today, but we should be bullish today. Hello, Yusuf. What are you trading today? I'm trading Nasdaq, USA 100. I'm thinking we're gonna be bullish today, guys. I'm thinking we're gonna be bullish today. So mark my 5 minutes and my 15-minute gaps quickly. Okay, we did a check there. We could also be bearish because we got all of these free value gaps that need to be taken out. All these 1 hour gaps that need to be taken out. As you can see, still it's all these bullish fair value gaps that's currently there that need to be taken out, right? And see this. Check in my drawer and also check in that other drawer where my clothes and my socks and stuff. Check in the back there. You put there and check in my drawer also. How can we find Nasdaq on MT5? Search USA 500. Sorry, USA 100. What kind, bro? Jeremy, what kind? Okay, so it looks like we could be bearish here. If we break these lows, honestly, these lows get taken out. If we close below this thing, I might take a sell. So closure below here, we take sells. There's 250s. Oh, give it. And then?
You want to change?
Oh, can you take it then? Keep it somewhere. Closure below here, then I'm taking the sell here, guys. If we close below this gap, 1 hour gap, I'm gonna take a sell here. Stop loss will be about this week here. TP's target, you can target. Just about there, you can say. But of course, we need to close. We can't just be weak in here. That's how I want to see, right? Okay, as you can see right now, it's just weakening. So that's what I wanted to take. MT5 should have, bro. That's the USA 100. What broker are you using? Are you using HFM or what broker? Depends on the broker you're using, bro. It might be different. Also, if you're using like a center count or something like that, then you might not have it. We have a rejection block right here. You can see how it's rejecting, right? So we have a rejection block here. This is a 1 hour gap right here. Oh, well, I made it to the live today. Juma Mubarak, guys. Juma Mubarak. Okay, so we still not any setup. I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'm just putting it there for now. We're not in any setup as yet, right? But I'm looking at cells, right? You see, right? We have a 15. We have this rejection block right here, 15-minute rejection block. So we have this rejection. You can see how basically market rejected all over this, right? So if we're gonna come back into it here, right? If you come back into it over here, okay, and then if you reject here again, we could take a sell, obviously, of some sort of inverse fair value gap. Then we can dollar it like that. We can cook this shit. 66% battery. You can see how it rejected there again. Let's see if we get a break inside and we close. Right, I want to see a rejection. Let's wait and see. Be patient, guys. Be patient. What are we doing, guys? We're looking at Nasdaq, guys. We're looking at Nasdaq. So if you have to take a sell, right? It would be something like this. Okay, I might take a sell if we have this inverse fair value gap right here. If we form an inverse fair value gap here, I might take it. No, this is not gold. This is not gold. We don't trade gold for New session. It's a stock exchange now, so we're gonna be trading Nasdaq, guys. MTN. Why is MTN calling me? Ignore it for now. News at 4, bro. What is? I don't think it's a high, like a heavy news. Let me just check. Let me check. Charles opening. I don't think it should be that bad. I think. Okay, we continue to drop scammer calls. Yeah, it's a scam. I haven't got that suspected spam or something like that. But let's see how it goes, guys. We're waiting now. We let the market give us the direction, what it wants to do. Currently it's undecided. It's between the two ranges, so we don't know what it wants to do yet. Guys, one more thing while we're waiting, please like the live. I see only 7 people like the live, and we've got 63 people. We've got 8, and we only got 9 likes now. I want to see 63 likes. Since we're 63 viewers, it needs to be 63 likes. Okay, we're pushing up. Okay, if we close, let's see. Okay, it's a strong push up. Yo. We've got a full fair value gap here. Let's delete this. Here we go, assume yes. It's pushing up. It's pushing up, yeah. Oh my god, I missed the entry here. Flipping hell. I didn't see this. There was an entry here for us to take because this was a textbook setup here for a buy. We had a textbook setup for a buy. We tapped into 1 hour gap, respected it, and then we inverse this gap here. Oh my days. Oh my days. I'm seeing this now. We missed this textbook setup, guys. Oh my days, guy. What the flip? I missed such a good setup here. I missed such a good setup, guys. Yo, I didn't even realize. I was waiting for something else. I didn't realize we got this. Okay, we're pushing, continue to push up, but I need to see some sort of retracement. We can't just enter the trade. We can't just enter this trade. It's just pushing up. Okay, so this is no longer a rejection block. Can delete that. Yes, guys, I messed up big time. This was such a good setup here. What the flip? Yo, we missed the setup. I didn't realize that. But you guys see what happened basically, right? Okay. For future references, you guys kind of know we tapped into a 1 hour gap here, right? This is a 1 hour fair value. We respected it, we wicked it. We didn't close below it, we wicked it. Then what happened? We inversed this gap here. We had that V shape basically. Basically, when we have this shape like this here, right? And then basically we inversed the gap and then we pushed up. And we obviously we came back to retest it, and then we ended up pushing up. But that's such a flop, guys, and we would have been floating in profit. We would have been floating in profit, but it is what it is. We look for another setup. Okay, we look for another setup. But that was the setup for today. I can tell you now, everyone on TikTok and YouTube that trade Nasdaq, they got the setup. Everyone on TikTok and YouTube and stuff, they probably caught the setup right here. The exact setup that you're gonna see here. I'm telling you now, they got this exact same setup that you'll see these content creators took. Right? They'll have the TP maybe at this high or something like this. Yeah, we're gonna be. Yeah, I'm gonna send a signal for market close. Yeah, there's no retracement. What the hell, Nasdaq? Absolutely zero retracement. We're just pumping at this point. Nasdaq. This is unfair, honestly. Okay, we're coming back into that to be in this range here currently. I reckon we could start. Oh my days. Oh my days. Honestly, we're just making fair value gap after fair value gap after fair value gap. This was a move, guys. This was our move. This buy right here was where we were supposed to take it. I messed up there. Who knows? Maybe one of you guys did take the setup. I don't know. There's nothing. There's no high time frame inverse fair value gap that I could take it off. There's nothing yet. Yeah, there's nothing. There's no even inverse fair value gap here. There is okay. There is one there now. Okay, but we're rejecting here. I reckon we can take a buy from here. I think we can take a buy from here. But it's obviously very risky because the move kinda already happened. The move was there all the way down here. I messed up there, guys. So honestly, I messed up big time. Okay, I'm gonna take a buy here, guys. And catch the continuation move. Okay, let's see. I wanted to retrace a bit. Waiting for that retracement. Okay, I'm in. I'm in, guys. I messed up. I can't believe it, guys. Yo, such a banger setup. Such a banger setup. Textbook ICT setup. Oh my days, I think we could be selling here. I think, yo, okay, guys. Shit, we're selling now. Hey, it has to do this. It had to just mess us up. Now that we missed the setup, it ended up giving us shit. Oh, okay, pushing back up again. Selling. I'm gonna hit stop loss. I could see this again. I messed up. Yeah, this thing's gonna sell. Let me check this news if it could have a positive impact on Nasdaq. Uh, okay, we're pushing back up. Yeah, I was thinking about sales, bro. Like, but I was thinking sell. We could sell here, but let's just see how it goes. I was thinking buys initially first here, right? I was thinking maybe we could break first. Actually, I was thinking sells initially. My first buy was sells. That's why I didn't look at this here properly. I just saw this here and I thought we could sell. I was looking for closure below. My brain didn't register. Okay, we could actually take a buy from here. I couldn't pick it up that we could take a buy from there. Only after I'm seeing the price move break out here, I'm realizing we could buy. We could have bought. Now, of course, now it's usually when we miss out on a trade and we do take a trade afterwards, it doesn't usually go end well for us because then I basically rush the trade. Okay, but we're pushing up. Let's see, of course. Okay. Okay. Pushing up now. I'll go break even, yeah, because I'll shut off this trade is. Okay, we're in profit now. Break even once we break that high. Okay, we're in profit, guys, as you can see. I'm up about 200 bucks on this trade now currently. Once we break that high, I'm going break even. Break even straight away. If we get taken out, we get taken out and we call it a day. Because the like I said, the setup that we're supposed to take was right here. Oh shit. Like I said, the setup that we were supposed to take was, yeah, this buy was the initial setup we're supposed to take. And if we miss the setup, we're not gonna try and do anything crazy. But we are in profits, which is a good thing right now. So once we break out there, we go break even. We call it today. It was yeah, let's just see now. We are in profits. Should be in profits now. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's coming to basically retest, I guess, this fair value gap here, I guess. But let's just see. I need a breakout here. Right? Breakout above this high. We're good. We should get full TP if we break out that high. Okay, I'm up about still about 200, 300 on a one lot. Back in drawdown. Mm. Moves the candle. Okay, it's rejecting. Rejecting. Oh my days. It's gonna hit stop loss. It's gonna hit stop loss. It did stop loss, guys. No, not yet. Did you buy and sell? I'm gonna buy very close to stop loss. Hit him stop loss, guys. Very close to stop loss there. Yo. Please, let's see. Let's hope you buy from here, guys. Let's hope you buy from here now. Now, if we can get break even, at least I'll be happy. Oh my God. 1 minute till news, guys. Why did you trade gold? What do you mean? Why did I trade gold? What do you mean I trade gold? It's not gold. Ah, stop loss hit, guys. Yeah, I'm calling today, guys. Okay, it happens. Yeah, we're out, guys. I'm disappointed, honestly, because this was an A plus setup in my books. This is what I would look for in like a setup. This is such a good setup. Yes, like, honestly, it was such a good setup, and we messed it up. I don't trade gold I trade Nasdaq live. Now this thing is pushing up. Okay, but we call it a day, guys. We call it a day. Unless I see a breakout from here, then. But I think we call it a day, guys. It's a it wasn't a very big stop loss. It's like 500 perhaps 50 points, whatever. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I think we'll end it there, guys. We come back again Monday. And I hope you know and build the accounts. There's no way you can tell me you build your account for 50 per trade here. That's impossible. Unless you full ported, then you build your account. But yeah. Okay, guys. I'll check you guys on Monday. Slams.